Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while. Got a race car coming out to me. Anyway, it's been about 6 weeks and we're back here at Placerville Speedway. I did run Antioch a couple weeks ago, but couldn't get the car to really work all night. Only ran 6 laps and I just pulled off. I didn't really even want to post a video on that one. All right, we are walking down the on-ramp as this track is basically cut into a hillside. So coming down here, looks like they got some flags up. That's new. All right, here's the track. It's moist, to say the least, but not much water on down on the bottom. But I don't know how Scott does the track, but it usually turns out pretty good. But it's like 95 degrees, got a breeze, guessing it's gonna go dry slick. So Dennis has the Super Tune on the car tonight and told me he doesn't want to hear the car lift. So got my work cut out for me. As long as it turns, I'll try to uphold my end of the bargain. So I'm gonna show you kind of how close this is. So my end of 2022 last lap, probably my most infamous video that got a bunch of views, a bunch of subscribers. I got hit basically, maybe on purpose, probably on purpose, but about right here, flew off the track, and now we're gonna walk down here. Almost pancaked that tire. That would for sure destroyed the car, but just barely missed it. I saw it coming, so I went up the hill. Went up that hill right here, and then came to a rest right before that pole. So backed out, gave me my spot back, won the race. So now you can kind of see, not much room here. Takes a skilled driver to miss that tire, so I'm just saying. Might as well continue my tour. This is the awesome thing that the Russell family put together. It's like a breezeway in here, shade. I haven't been down here in probably 5 years. It's feeling kind of weird. Anyway, here is the concession stand, beer booth. We got bikes out there for the kids' bike night. It's a pretty awesome little area. And then there's the stands here. Gary, the announcer's got his famous country music going. So hopefully I don't get a copyright claim. So there's the open grandstands, and then the main grandstand area. And there's the racetrack, and that's how close you are to the action. Pretty awesome track. It is definitely tricky to get a hang of this place, but when you do, it is badass. So anyway, now I'm gonna go walk up there, probably about half a mile to our pit stop, and sit probably for another couple hours and get completely drenched. Stick around and I'll let you know where we're starting on the heat race, going out for hot lap or back in track. So it should be a good night.
we go. Lights out. Dan Brown Jr., Michael Anderson from row 1, Paul Guglielmone, Jay Norton, Ray Trimble, Matt Davis, and Anthony Selaney. Final heat race for the Mountain Democrat Limited Late Models. Well, they're 3 wide on the start there. And we have cars everywhere in 1 and 2. Somehow they all continue on. Up front, it is Lincoln, California's Dan Brown Jr. Another one of the multi-time track champions here at Placerville over the years. Tight on the cushion that time as we turn our attention back up front to your leader and soon to be winner of heat race number 2, Dan Brown Jr. in the 15. Jay Norton second, Anthony Selaney in third.
Asshole! What?
Couldn't catch you.
Good. Did you get second?
Did you not look at the board?
No. I was just waiting for the white. Alright, step 1 complete. Alright, heat race is in the books. Managed to pick up that heat race win. Won by about a second or so. Car felt pretty good. I mean, I was on it. So I was trying to do what Dennis was telling me, just stay full throttle. I couldn't quite do that, but I was definitely on the throttle quite a bit. You know, that 4 car, I think, was quicker than everybody, and then Jay held him off from what I heard. He got second. So Matt McKelly won the other heat, went up to the draw because you draw uphill 1 through 4 if you win the first heat, and he drew a goddamn 4. So we start 8th. So luckily this is not like a huge memorial race or a big payday race, but we start freaking 8th. So anyway, gonna do what I can do to try to get up there and hopefully contend for the win, but only a 20 lap race starting 8th with a lot of fast guys in front of me. It's gonna be a challenge just to get by, you know, a handful of them fairly quickly to be able to contend and lay some laps down and try to get the win. But gonna give it a try. But car's already ready. It's only like 7:30. Got kids bike races tonight, so that's gonna be a little bit intermission, and then we'll go first main event. So wish us luck. Fingers crossed the car stays together. We got 5 days till the next race, so really just want to come out of here with a decent points night, and then to have the car in one piece. So that's our goal.
Well, we go lights out. Track looks to be in pristine shape as we're set for 20 laps of racing with the Ground Pounders, your Mountain Democrat limited late model finale here on Kids Bike Night. McGinnis and Trimble. The 4X, Ray Trimble battling to the inside of Chris McGinnis in turn number 3. Move Trimble back into second. Oh, McGinnis sideways in front of the field. And we have one car at least to a stop. Now a couple more over there at turn 4. We're going to go yellow.
already changed out of my fire suit, and it's only like 9:30. So we're loading up right now. Gonna probably get out of here and actually salvage a night. 8th to 2nd, can't complain. Really, it should have been 8th to 3rd. Ray got into it with a lapped car in the last lap, gave me 2nd, and I had nothing for the 4 car. We're gonna have to go to the drawing board and figure out something for that. We race here in about 5 days, and so we got to turn around and get some damage done. That wreck that I was almost in about 3 times, 3 different wrecks. It felt like that whole race was just a cluster. But anyway, good night. Cars in one piece, that's what I wanted, and a good points night. So until next time, we'll see you 4th of July race, and then after that, I think we have a couple weeks off. So all right, we'll talk to you later. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.